have any future plans for the project?
Future plans is like it will take almost like 10-15 days to get it like done with all the electronics and the testing and all. After that, maybe we are planning to if there are some manufacturers those will be who are interested in building these things, we will just do the technology transfer and all. And otherwise, we have some plans for also manufacturing it here and in my place. So yeah.
Do you have any plan to expand this project as a business?
Yeah, like, yeah, I have some plans because like as per as per still now I didn't get any funding. That's why it's kind of I don't want to like have that much of profit. But let's say the 10 LPM machines we get from China, they cost as much as the 15 or 20 LPM machines like that we can build. So it's I'll not say that it's completely business. Yeah, kind of like without having that much of profit, we want to manufacture it because the main motto was to make it reach the people who can afford it should have it at least in their hands before the third wave or nothing further happens. So for that thing we have to manufacture.
So Anshuman, what is that one piece of advice you would like to give to other makers of oxygen concentrators? Anyone is planning to build prototype or anything which you would want to share?
They are free to ask for anything they can they want. And the thing is that you have to start from basic and just move forward, and we'll help you however we can. If you want some materials, we can ship. If you want some technical help, we can come, and we can also, even if you want, we can give you a prototype also. So yeah, that can we can help in any way you want. Nothing so secret about it.
Yeah.
So all the
Any specific advice?
they can connect. They can connect to Anshuman. We'll share his contact details.
And advice is like that: just build smaller machines because larger ones will have larger moisture issues. So that has to be tackled. That is kind of bit expensive because we are going to use a refrigeration system and a desiccant system which will eat up your flow anyhow. So it's always advised to build a smaller machine, or at least like maximum up to 10 LPM. Our system is like 15 LPM modular now with one pump, 2 HP pump, 15 LPM, 15 LPM, 15 LPM. So how much you want, you can just add them on. Because even if one working, and even in other situations when you don't need those machines, you can just rent it, or you can just give it to some other hospitals and places to use it. So when you want it, you can have a 100 LPM plant or 200 LPM plant kind of thing. But when you don't want it, you can also give it to some people so that they can use. And with the dryers and other things, I think there should be, and we are also using compressors from Cast and Thomas, like very good brands, international brands. So they at least we don't manufacture the compressors, so they at least give us the reliability of working. The compressor, it should work like 24/7 and 2-3 years at least. And the zeolite with the drying system is not going to go bad so easily.
Okay. So if anyone, any potential investor or anyone who is interested in this, and if they want to reach you or they want to know about what you're doing, how can they do that?
They can just say email and I have given.
Sorry. Yeah. So mostly I'll be interested in the technical aspect of the project. We have been talking about this, but before that, I have two of the curious questions. One, did you get a chance to have your machine run and see live, someone really using your oxygen concentrator? Did you get a chance to actually lend it to someone and they are actually using it in real time?
We saw the improvements there. In the purity and with the LPM department, we don't do any compromise. We test our machines in the highest LPM that can provide,
Mhm.
and it has been used on 15.
This is again mostly on the technical lines. Obviously, when we saw OxyKit's video, it looks very simple to build, right? But when we really,
Yeah. The thing
when we
is
really,
that I got it. I got the question. Yeah, just go ahead. Just go ahead.
so how was your transformation? How do you? I mean, it is more from a technical point of view, like when you came
Yeah,
across the humidity issue, when you came across a couple of
no,
other issues. How do you
first my
explain this?
yeah at the first time, like when I'm try to make it, I just calculated everything, and how
Mhm.
much flow I have, how much of zeolite is going to absorb, how much this thing and that thing. Then I try to do the still I have did the experiment, like you say, I scan 300 400 times. I have hundreds of sieves at my place lying there. It's different in the sizes, different kinds. So I learned a lot from, like, I am a physics student from physics background, so
Right.
I have some knowledge. But after that also, I had to make at least 200 300 experiments or more than that, maybe with different kind, at least 6 or 7 kind of zeolites
Mm-hmm.
before reaching this. You have to work. But the thing is that once you know the thing design, so then it is pretty simple to make. Just you have to understand the thing, how it works, and what can be the problem.
Right. Right.
I have a question here. Was there any challenge, in providing the solution to India in terms of, let's say, engineering, logistics, and resources?
Yeah, like most of the things you are like, the main thing is the zeolite. Zeolite has to come from China anyhow, and the distribution of that thing is kind of like it kind of black marketed at that time. It's like some people, the company itself tried to sell it at a higher price because the demand was higher, and the second thing is to find a good reliable compressor for testing and prototyping purpose. You don't need like high cost one, but at least you know the flow, how much is the flow, how much is the all the other things, so that you are working with. Yeah, those things you have to keep in mind. Then with that same parameters, you can go for reliable products and all. So yeah, first thing you have to go with the theory.
You achieved very good flow rates. Okay, so you're able to achieve a higher flow rate. So how were you able to do that? I mean, what changes?
So
No problem.
the basic thing, the flow, the input ratio of 12 to 15.
Okay.
Simple. There is a ratio always from 12 to 15, or it can maximize at 10 to 15. So if you want to build a particular LPM machine, then there should be enough flow in that from that mathematical perspective. Then
So
then
you
only
mean
you can
15 is to 1, right? So on the input side, if you have 15, so on the output side, you'll get it
one.
1. So
Yeah.
15 is
If
to
you
1 or
are
12 is
like
to 1. Okay.
making it for the first time, just go for go with the ratio of 15 is to 1. Then you can optimize it for like 12 is to 1 or 10 is to 1. But the things they work, yeah. But at first you should go with 15 is to 1 minimum.
Okay. So, I mean, having an additional compressor or multiple compressor, will that also help in
Yeah,
generating
that will
this one?
that
Or
will help. Because
okay,
it's simple. The six only the compressor matters 90% of the 90% of the purity and LPM thing. Compressor is the boss here.
okay,
Then
okay.
only, yeah, then you have to find at least different the sieve sizes and all that matters 10%, you can say, but the main thing is the compressor flow. If you don't have the enough flow, you don't have enough oxygen to play with. Then only we will are going to get that much of oxygen. Again, I have some maths and all. If you want, I will share it to you people how the thing is 15 is 10 is 1 is to 15 or something. Yeah, you can do it.
That will actually help. Thank you.